Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the MCQs of fluid mechanics, which is most important for civil engineering student. So friends, without wasting time, now coming back to question. So friends, first question you are seeing right now, poise is the unit of. So friends, it's very simple. Poise is the unit of viscosity. So friends, poise is the unit of viscosity. So friends, C option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. द फ्लूइड हुई विस्कोसिटी चेंजेज विथ रेट ऑफ डिफॉर्मेशन इज नोन एज। ऐसा फ्लूइड जिसकी विस्कोसिटी चेंज हो रही है विथ रेट ऑफ डिफॉर्मेशन, अगर हम उससे कोई डिफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो उसकी विस्कोसिटी चेंज हो रही है तो उसको हम कैसा फ्लूइड बोलेंगे? नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड बोलेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर। डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर, नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड। सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द यूनिट ऑफ काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी इज। सो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी सिंपल, यूनिट ऑफ काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी इज मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड। सो फ्रेंड्स, A option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. Angle of contact between mercury and solid surface is 0, 45, 90, more than 90. So friends, angle of contact between mercury and solid surface is more than 90. There should be correction for here. Instead of C, D should be there. D should be right there. So friends, D should be right there. So friends, correct option is D. Now coming back to next question. Flow of fluid take place due to the. So friends, flow of fluid take place due to the deformation under shear force. So friends, D option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. If the diameter of capillary tube is doubled, there should be correction in the question number 6. Instead of each, there should be each for here. Instead of each, there should be each for here. So friends, if the diameter of capillary tube is doubled, the diameter capillary rise will be. So friends, capillary rise क्या होगा? हाफ हो जाएगा तुरंत. So friends, capillary rise क्या होगा? तुरंत हाफ हो जाएगा. So friends, C option is correct here. C option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. A fluid whose viscosity change does not change with rate of deformation is known as. So friends, ऐसा फ्लूइड जिसकी विस्कोसिटी नहीं चेंज हो रही है तो हम उसको कैसा फ्लूइड बोलेंगे? न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड बोलेंगे. So friends, C option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. Which of the following fluid can be classified as non Newtonian fluid? So friends, कैसा फ्लूइड जो नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड कहा जाता हो? So friends, human blood and toothpaste are non Newtonian fluid. So friends, B option is correct here. Now coming back to next question. इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर, अगर हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे